Welcome to BK Inspirations. My name is Bernard Kenyajui. Today I want to talk about how to nurture your employees. In order for you to achieve a bigger output out of the set of employees that you are working with. As the leader, you should ask yourself one question. Are you a boss or are you a leader? The first thing is to create a cohesion. You make sure that you're working as a team and not as a set of individuals. If you have several teams within your group, then you need to cultivate that cohesion. Make sure that each and every employee is working more closely towards the colleagues so that their output is better. Begin to look at how each individual employee can get their best out of what they are doing. Make sure that you have communicated your desired outputs. And the way you communicate is through motivation. There are some people who come to the organization, and the first thing that they do by after meeting their team is to challenge them. Do you know that I am the boss here? Do you know that I can fire you from this organization? I can terminate your career. By the time you have spoken the third statement, you have already inflicted fear in the team that you are working with. There is another one who will come in the morning and say, hello team. You show concern. How have you engaged the team that you are working with? So you begin cultivating that communication that which is healthy for the team. Then you need to begin to assign individuals based on their competencies. And assigning competencies is one of the challenging tasks of a leader. There are people who are very good at communicating to others. These can be people whom you use to convey information. There are others who are very good at convincing. They can probably do very well in marketing. But when you have this team and you realize the individuals have started learning what they need to do, give people an opportunity to make mistakes. You don't have to reprimand each and every offense. You can nurture them. Make sure that you're training them so that they begin to learn what they need to do, so that next time they are taking that task, they'll do it better. And finally, you'll get an excellent output. Once you are sure that individuals are taking opportunities and they are grasping the tasks that you have assigned them, then you can go to the next step of delegation. So what you need to do is to gradually delegate. And delegation doesn't mean that you abscond all the duties and delegate them to your juniors. You are gradually exposing them to higher exercises. And when you give them this kind of exposure, it gradually improves the competence of the individuals. And you can also do the rotation. You rotate each individual in the specific tasks that they are doing so that each and every person is all round. You realize that one person whom you had assigned a particular duty is probably doing another one better than they do the duty that you have assigned them. This now calls for you to reassign them the job description that will probably match their highest competence. Ensure that each and every individual has identified their gaps. And this is the duty of the supervisor. As you are nurturing them, tell them that you have got a deficiency in working in Excel. And when you challenge them that way, they need to immediately embark on a learning trend so that they can improve that specific area of weakness. You realize that there are others that are doing one job very well. And if the learning can be done internally, then you need to give them the opportunity to train others. And this is how you assign them to be the supervisors or the mentors of others. So in each and every moment, make sure that you have assigned your teams particular mentors. Or you yourself can even identify some people within your team whom you can be mentoring. And when you are mentoring them, that means that you'll gradually begin to improve the exercises that they are taking. Finally, what you need to do is to make sure that each and every individual has got a goal, something that they are working towards. Nobody can say that they have achieved their highest level of desire. So when you challenge them that you want to become an excellent person in area A or in area B, this will mean that they have to begin to work towards that. And how you help them to go there is by assigning them particular courses. Someone can say that there is a proficiency in an area that they need to work in. Someone can say that there is a professional course that they need to undertake, so that by the time they are with you for the next 3, 4, 5 years, they have already begun to shape what career they need to be working on. Subscribe and share this video.